Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a clean with me video. This is actually the kitchen edition. I didn't want to do like a whole entire like clean house video just because that would be, I feel like, really long. So I kind of figured I'm gonna break them up into sections, or separate videos, so that way it's not like a long drawn out clean with me type deal video. I love watching these on YouTube, so I figured I would give it a try. I figured I would start with my kitchen. It's the easiest thing. I clean it. It's one of the rooms I clean the most in my house, so why not start with that? I'm actually in my bathroom right now because I'm doing some other stuff right now and trying to clean up while Liliana is napping. But I wanted to do an intro for the video so that way you kind of knew what was going on. So this is my clean with me video for my kitchen. This is basically how I clean my kitchen, like I want to say like once a week. I do like spot cleaning every night and like my dishes and stuff, but like deep cleaning as far as moving stuff off the counters and doing all of that, I do that like once a week or so, just because I don't feel like doing it every single day, because if I did I would probably go crazy, especially with 5 people in a house. So yeah, this is my clean with me kitchen edition video. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, I am on the lookout for a good cleaning cloth to use, rather than having to use paper towels, because right now I'm just kind of using like paper towels or like washcloths, and I don't really like those. And I did have like a dish rag or something that I was using, but it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. Someone's honking. It didn't really do what I wanted it to do for the most part, so I figured I would put it out there that I'm looking for a good cleaning cloth that I can reuse, throw in the washing machine, because right now I am using paper towels or whatever I have currently. But yeah, without further ado, this is my clean with me video. So if you'd like to see how I clean my kitchen on a once a week basis, then please keep watching.